us in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's now Christmas here at Soltana Nature Residences.
Hello Queen, welcome back to my channel. This is May of Queen TV and I am here at Soltana Nature Residences. Come with me and join me tonight for the tree lighting.
Lapu-Lapu City is known for its first-class resorts and has grown to become a highly urbanized city in the province of Cebu. Now, the city occupies most of Mactan Island, and Taft Properties has identified an opportunity to develop a residential condominium in Lapu-Lapu City, envisioned to become a sought-after residential development with the pleasures of a resort-inspired ambiance with various active and passive comforts. Hence, this beautiful Soltana Nature Residences.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening. Welcome to Soltana. And of course, I'd like to thank our very special guest this evening. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give her a round of applause. The First Lady of Lapu-Lapu City, Madam Cindy King Chan. Also, our guests from the bank, we have PNB and BPI. Thank you. We also have our vlogger friends. Where are you? If you see somebody holding, doing their selfie, that's them. Say hello. Where are you? Oh, there.
Guys, I'm with Conrad, Leslie, Elizabeth, and Ever Imelda Marcos. The lovers of Soltana.
They've been access to our history and help us celebrate. Everybody count with us in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
the Taft group, and especially the Gaisanos, have their total trust in Lapu-Lapu City and the Chan administration. No? We have made, especially Mayor Ahong, doing the ease of doing business.
Thank you, Soltana and Taft Properties. Thank you. That is it, Queenies. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy the Soltana Nature Residences tree lighting tonight. And this has been Queen TV, now signing off in 3, 2,